Suppose x represents any data value in a normal distribution with the mean equal to 36 and the standard deviation equal to 4.7. Find the z-score that corresponds to the x values in parts A through D. Express your answers rounded to the nearest hundredth. So rounding is going to be crucial. So in part A, we have a data value of 28. So remember that we are going to use the formula z equals data value minus the mean over the standard deviation. So for this particular problem, data value is 28. We were told the mean is 36 and the standard deviation is 4.7. Now, it is crucial that you do the numerator first. So when I subtract, I get -8. If you're a person who wants to plug it all into your calculator at the same time, that's great. Make sure you put your numerator in parentheses. Your calculator always follows order of operations, and if you don't put them in correctly, you're going to get the wrong answer. So when I take -8 and divide by 4.7, I have a -1.702. Now, rounded to the nearest hundredth, 2 tells me to round down, and I have -1.70. Part B. My data value is 48. So again, I'm starting data value minus my mean of 36 divided by my standard deviation of 4.7. Again, I start in my numerator and I subtract. Parentheses if you're going to put them all in together. Now, when I take 12 and I divide by 4.7, my calculator spits at me 2.553 hundredths. So I look at the 3. 3 tells me to round down, and my answer is 2.55. That'd be my z-score, right? A z-score standardizes your data in the normal distribution. All right, data value of 25. 25 minus 36 divided by 4.7. 25 minus 36 is -11 divided by my 4.7. And calculator spits out -2.340. That's an easy one because 0 obviously rounds down, and I have -2.34. And last but not least, letter D. A little tongue-tied this morning. We have z equals data value minus the mean over the standard deviation. When I subtract my numerator, I have a +2 divided by 4.7, and I end up with 0.425. Now, 5 rounds up, so rounded to the nearest hundredth, I have 0.43.